हेलो, वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की स्ट्रीम। और आज का जो सेशन है वो सुपर स्पेशल होने वाला है बिकॉज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे टूल के बारे में जो लिटरली आपको एआई पावर्ड हैकर बना सकता है। राइट, यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट काली जीपीटी। एक चैट जीपीटी जैसा टूल, लेकिन स्पेशली बनाया गया है एथिकल हैकिंग और साइबर सिक्योरिटी के लिए। अगर आप काली लिनक्स यूज़ करते हो या साइबर सिक्योरिटी में इंटरेस्टेड हो या फिर सिर्फ देखना चाहते हो कि एआई हैकिंग वर्ल्ड में क्या कर सकता है, तो इस सेशन को पूरा देखना। राइट, और इस सेशन में एक अनाउंसमेंट भी है, लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू अनाउंस सम गिव अवे। एक गिव अवे अनाउंसमेंट भी है विच टॉप 3 विनर्स विल गेट टू अटेंड माई नेक्स्ट नेटवर्क पेनिट्रेशन टेस्टिंग वर्कशॉप फॉर फ्री। आज हम देखने वाले हैं लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, रियल प्रॉम्प्ट्स, और अपन समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आपका ये जो काली जीपीटी है इसको आप कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो कमांड लिखने के लिए, या फिर आप पेलोड बनाना चाहते हो। राइट, वो भी बिना किसी पर्टिकुलर एरर के। ये सब कुछ हम आज के सेशन में एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं। सो शुरू करें। मेक श्योर टू लाइक द वीडियो, एंड इफ़ यू हैवेंट सब्सक्राइब्ड इट येट, आप उसको सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो। राइट, सब्सक्राइब करने में जो रेड बटन है उसको कैसे भी करो, बट सब्सक्राइब हो जाना चाहिए। ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम बात करें कि व्हाट इज काली जीपीटी एक्चुअली, और उससे भी पहले दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो इज ओनली फॉर डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन पर्पस और एजुकेशन पर्पस। डू नॉट यूज फॉर इन एनी illegal activity. So let me introduce myself first. Hello guys, my name is Sumit Jain and I'm a penetration testing trainer and consultant. I have 10 plus years of experience in ethical hacking, VAPT or red team operations. Right now I'm delivering sessions on YouTube and in Skill Horizon, where you can learn about cybersecurity and penetration testing or SOC. ओके, सो व्हाट इज काली जीपीटी एक्चुअली? हम लोगों ने बहुत सुना होगा कि काली जीपीटी या चैट जीपीटी ये काम करता है। चैट जीपीटी के थ्रू आप पर्टिकुलर कोई भी ब्लॉग लिखवा सकते हो। राइट, काली जीपीटी क्या है? अगर मैं इसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूँ, काली जीपीटी एक एआई असिस्टेंट टूल है जो आपको एथिकल हैकिंग और सिक्योरिटी टास्क में आपकी हेल्प कर सकता है। राइट, जिस तरीके से आप चैट जीपीटी का यूज़ करके ब्लॉग्स लिखते हो, आप अपना कंटेंट क्रिएट करते हो, वैसे ही आप काली जीपीटी का यूज़ करके कमांड लाइन और एथिकल हैकिंग पर्पस के लिए, या पर्टिकुलर कोई भी आपको अगर कोड में सिंटैक्स एरर है या पर्टिकुलरली किसी सिक्योरिटी टेस्टिंग टूल की कमांड में प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो सब कुछ आप इसमें प्रोवाइड करा सकते हो। राइट, काली जीपीटी को हम जब यूज़ में लेते हैं, पर्टिकुलरली अपने को ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये कैसे काम करता है। काली जीपीटी आपका काली लिनक्स के साथ इंटीग्रेट किया हुआ है। ये एक गो टू ओएस है फॉर हैकिंग एंड सिक्योरिटी टेस्टिंग, और ये आपको अलाउ करता है, इट बेसिकली अलाउज यू टू इंटरेक्ट विद नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रॉम्प्ट्स। आप इसमें प्रॉम्प्ट्स डिफाइन करते हो और उसी प्रॉम्प्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ये आगे प्रोसीड करता है। अगर सपोज करो कि यू आर परफॉर्मिंग नेटवर्क पेन टेस्टिंग एंड यू नीड द हेल्प ऑफ nmap, and to run nmap you forgot the commands, like proper commands. You want to do port scan, or you want to optimize the nmap scanning, or want to do host discovery, or maybe vulnerability scanning using NSE. अगर आपको कमांड्स याद नहीं है एंड यू आर पर्टिकुलरली नॉट द पर्सन हु रिमेंबर्स एवरीथिंग, काली जीपीटी आपकी हेल्प कर सकता है। You can just ask KaliGPT in English or in the form of prompts. राइट, आप कुछ भी अगर टास्क कर रहे हो रिगार्डिंग एथिकल हैकिंग, लाइक आप नेटवर्क को स्कैन कर रहे हो, या पेलोड्स को राइट कर रहे हो, या क्राफ्ट कर रहे हो रिवर्स शेल को, या फिर आप वल्नरेबिलिटीज को एनालाइज कर रहे हो, काली जीपीटी आपको बहुत फास्टर वे में और बहुत कम सिंटैक्स एरर्स में आपको जो रिजल्ट है वो प्रोवाइड कराएगा। काली जीपीटी एक एआई टूल है, बट इसका जो पर्टिकुलर गोल है वो ये नहीं है कि आपके स्किल को रिप्लेस किया जाए, बट ये आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी और क्रिएटिविटी को इन्हेंस करेगा। काली जीपीटी का यूज़ हम अपने डेली लाइफ में या फिर आप पेनिट्रेशन टेस्टिंग में कर सकते हो। और अगर मैं बात करूं कि वाई काली जीपीटी, लाइक वाई, हम क्यों काली जीपीटी का यूज करें। तो बहुत सारे इसके रीजंस हैं, लाइक वाई वी शुड यूज द काली जीपीटी। बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं, और इन्हीं में से आपका जो एक रीजन है वो ये कि इसमें आप जो भी नेचुरल लैंग्वेज इंटरफेस है, आप इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड वॉट एवर योर नेटिव लैंग्वेज इज वो प्रोवाइड करा सकते हो, एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये आपको रिजल्ट देगा। ठीक है, दिस इज बूस्ट प्रोडक्टिविटी, ये आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी को बूस्ट करेगा। ये एक्सपर्ट्स और बिगिनर्स दोनों के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसमें आप कस्टम कोड भी जनरेट कर सकते हो। तो देखो, काली के काफ़ी सारे एडवांटेज हैं। आप इसको रिपोर्ट राइटिंग या डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के लिए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। सो ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप काली को कैसे यूज़ करते हो, काली जीपीटी को किस तरीके से यूज़ करते हो। तो बेसिकली लेट्स do not waste our time, and I will show you the how you can write some prompts and do some practical stuff. So इतना समझ में आया होगा कि why Kali GPT, and let me recheck the comments which you are commenting on my video. So let me welcome you all. Hello Yash, hello Sahil, hello Arvind, hello Monica, and hello Sunil, hello Madhvi. Okay, so let's start with what you can do with Kali GPT. किस particular purpose के लिए आप Kali GPT का use कर सकते हो? So what you can do with Kali GPT is you can use it for recurrence purpose. So if you are familiar with ethical hacking, you will know what am I talking about. I'm talking about the recon purpose or footprinting, which the first stage of any penetration testing or maybe the ethical hacking. So in that phase, you need to collect some information about your target, and you will need the records, who is records, maybe subdomain info, maybe you want to crawl it. So whatever your purpose is, you can use the Kali GPT for reconnaissance purpose. You can also use Kali GPT to exploit development. If you have any vulnerable system, or you are playing some CTF, or you are solving some labs and you are stuck with some code, like code is giving some error, so you can rewrite the code. So basically Kali GPT will help you in exploit development also. Kali GPT can also create some payloads, right? So in payload generations, we can also use Kali GPT. We can also use Kali GPT for scripting automation. If you are familiar about the scripting tools like Subfinder, Asset Finder, and many more, so if you want to create one-liners, like using one-liner, all the tools will be giving you the output. So you can use the Kali GPT for automation purpose as well. You can use the Kali GPT for report writing. So if you are giving any exam, or maybe you are conducted a penetration test and want to create a report, so Kali GPT will help you. It also can help you in CTF solving. So if you are familiar with the Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, or OneHub, or maybe any more CTF environment we have on the internet. So if you are solving some labs, then Kali GPT will help you to design the payloads or to design the exploit. Or if you are stuck somewhere, then Kali GPT will there. It can also use for learning and training purpose. And not last but not the least is you can use Kali GPT for troubleshooting, right? So hopefully you will get an idea about, right, if you get the idea about like why we need Kali GPT in today's world. And yes, ChatGPT create a tool named Kali GPT with the help of Kali Linux integration, right? So let's go deep dive. So how you can basically use the Kali GPT. So first you need to understand the installation of Kali GPT. So the process or the steps are very simple. You can go to the ChatGPT website, create an account and logged in, and then go to the GPT prompt and then search for Kali GPT. So let me show you how you can use it, the Kali GPT. So this is the account I have already logged in, and on the right side you will get an option for GPTs. Click on the GPT section. Here you can discover all the custom versions of ChatGPT that combine instructions, extra knowledge, or any combination of skills. So basically GPT, ChatGPT or OpenAI developed many GPTs for your daily purpose, and KaliGPT is one of them. So what you need to do, you need to search KaliGPT, and when you search it, there are multiple results will be there: Kali GPT, Kali Linux Guru, Kali GPT, Kali GPT, and Kali Linux GPT. So that will be the question, like what GPT you have to use. So these all are GPT are designed by different persons or different authorities, but the one I'm talking about is the top one, which is this. So this Kali GPT is developed by the handle name, which is XIS local, and it is, the description is also there, like Master Kali Linux Excel in offensive security. There are 4.5 ratings and 100 case conversations. You can use this particular GPT for defense, offense, access, or investigate. So these are the capabilities of this engine. He can web search, code interpreter, and data analysis or image generations, right? So we have to, what you have to do next, you need to click on here, start chat. So as soon as you click on start chat, your normal chat GPT interface will be look like this, like Kali GPT. And now here you can give the prompt or whatever you want to ask, and then it will be available on your screen, right? So the installation process is very simple. You can use it using chat GPT section and search by Kali GPT. Okay, so hopefully you will get the idea how you can install this. So before moving on, let me check the comments if you have anything. Okay, so any particular comment, if you want to ask anything, you can drop some comments. Okay, so I do not have any new comments, so let's move on. So what is giveaway announcement I want to announce? So see, this is the giveaway I'm going to give you for my audience. So if you win this, you can get a free seat in my next workshop, which is about network penetration testing. It will be a 15 days workshop, and you need to attend it live on over Zoom. And in this particular giveaway, I will select 3 participants. So those participants who will selected will get a free entry. So what you have to do, like what is the rules for participate? So what you have to do, you have to share a clip from this live stream or any of my SOC live stream. You can find it on my YouTube channel. So here it is, this is a channel, and if you go to the playlist, you will find the SOC playlist. So you have to share some clips of any of these Kali GPT stream or any of the SOC L1 stream. Then where you need to share it, you need to share it on LinkedIn, and on LinkedIn you have to share it and tag me. So I hope you already know about my LinkedIn profile, but if you are not aware of, so the link is in the description or the channel profile. But right, but I'm going to show you. So this is my profile of LinkedIn, so you can search uh, and tag me. And then in caption you need to tell me like how these streams are helping you in your cybersecurity journey. If these streams are helpful, you get to learn something new, right? So you can tell this in your caption. So this is the way to participate in this giveaway, and the rules which need to qualify. So you need to tag me on LinkedIn, the very first rule, and you have to use 2 hashtags. which is one is Cyber with Sumit and the second is 0 day Volt, right? So you need to use these two hashtags on your uh, post which you are going to share on LinkedIn, and then you have to post it before 15th of July, and the winners will be announced on 18th of July. So these are the rules to qualify on this stream, on this giveaway, and hopefully you will enjoy this. So wish you all the best. Clip it, share it, tag me, and use hashtag. So the top three winners, or I will use it some random picking participants tool. So whatever whoever win this contest, I will DM or contact on LinkedIn and announce it on this live stream. Okay. So now let's move forward with our KaliGPT. So on your screen you will see a particular prompt, और इस prompt के जरिए आप क्या कर सकते हो. So right now I'm going to tell you like what you can do with these simple prompts, or how you can integrate the KaliGPT in your recurrence purpose. So I have create multiple prompts for your recurrence purpose. So let's take with a demo like what you can do, how you can use it. So this is a simple prompt which is saying like I want to perform a passive recon on a target.com or example.com, whatever target you have, using some open source tools. List exact commands and tools. So that will be the prompt I need to give in the KaliGPT. And then let's see what KaliGPT has to say. So let me change my tab to Kali, and let's provide the prompt. Okay, so I need to provide it something like this, but we cannot use the example.com. So I'm giving a vulnerable website which is oneweb.com. This is a dummy website. So now you will see like KaliGPT will give you the exact command, the tools, and whatever you need to do on the Kali Linux using some open source tools. So you will get the exact information like the whois, which basically gives you the domain registration info. So the command will be whois.vulweb.com. Then you need to run the dig command, which is used for DNS records enumeration. So the command you will need to use is this. You can use dig, the domain name, and any. Then you want to perform or you want to find out a particular DNS records. So in this command mx record we need to find. In this command we are going to find the name server record. So dig is basically pulls your DNS record information, and then you can also use the ns lookup, which is used for DNS integration, right? So using this also you can get the DNS records. Then the harvester. So harvester is basically used to extract the emails. So using this command you can do it. Then DNS enum. So DNS enum is particularly used for subdomains and DNS discovery. Then sublister, and then CRTSH for certificate transparency search, and then shodan. So the command is also available. The amas command, the URL scan.io. So whatever you need to perform a passive recon, you can get it with a single prompt. So these prompts will help you a lot in your particular ethical hacking journey or in the recurrence purpose, right? आ रहा है कुछ समझ में? So let's perform or I will use the command in Kali Linux to check it out if the commands are right or not. So let's see if we give the first command in Kali Linux, which is whois. So suppose I provide who is and then one hub, sorry, oneweb.com, and if we get the information or not. So we will get the complete information of the domain hub, and here is your information who is, right? So we can do whatever you want using the prompts or using the result of KaliGPT. So let me run the NS lookup also. So let's run the NS lookup. So suppose I will perform the NS lookup on oneweb.com. So what result I will get? I will get the DNS interrogation. What if I will use the dig command to perform the DNS records or to pull out the DNS records? So here you will get the A record information. You can also use or you can also provide the particular record name. So here is your MX record information, right? So basically अगर हमको एग्जैक्ट स्टेप्स याद नहीं है, इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज द काली लिनक्स और काली जीपीटी. सो आप एक प्रॉम्प्ट बनाइए और प्रॉम्प्ट को देने के बाद जो कुछ भी आपके काली जीपीटी में आता है उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को आप काली लिनक्स में प्रोवाइड करा सकते हो और अपना जो रिकॉन गेम है उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हो. आपको पर्टिकुलरली कमांड्स को याद रखने की या उनको राइट करने की या पर्टिकुलरली बस आपको प्रोसीजर पता होना चाहिए कि आपको क्या करना है, एंड देन काली जीपीटी विल डू द रेस्ट. सो एक एग्जैक्ट प्रॉम्प्ट आपको देना होता है, right? So whatever prompt we get, whatever commands we get when I provide the prompt using the passive recon, so there are many multiple tools which you are already aware of, I'm sure, or if you are not aware of, so these all tools are used for passive recon purpose, and DNS enum is also one of them. So if I provide the DNS enum with the domain name, so I can extract the subdomains or other information. So I will get every DNS record, the addresses, wildcard information, name server information, and then it is also brute forcing the subdomains, right? So I'm going to stop it. So basically, ChatGPT or KaliGPT is the proper ethical hacking version of ChatGPT. You can use for your recon purpose and many more. Get it? So now suppose I want to do some another thing. So I do not want to perform the passive recon. I want to use the harvester. So this is the second prompt. So the prompt is simulate recon using the harvester, and what details should I look for in the output. So basically you do not know how to read the output. So in that case, you can provide the prompt to read the output as well in KaliGPT, and it will read the output and it will indicate like what you should need to look in the output, right? So using the prompt, you can improve the recurrence phase. So let me give this prompt in the KaliGPT and let's find out what information I will get. So let me give it. Okay, so I provide the prompt which is simulate recon using the harvester, which is used for email extraction, and what details should I look for in the output. So here is the command, the harvester -d and -b all. So you will get the complete information about what these flags will do. So D will set the target domain and B is used for all available sources. So now this is the output structure. So you will get the idea what you need to look in the output. So let's take a look. So the harvester -d and then my domain, which is this -b and all. Okay, so I need to use this. So now basically this is not particularly set up because I need to provide the API keys for these uh, particular applications like binary age or census. So I need to set the API keys. So after setting the API key, I will get the proper information. But whatever we have, we are getting the information. So what if I need to make a small script for my subdomain discovery? So can KaliGPT can create a script for me? So let's find out. So now I'm providing like I'm giving a simple prompt, create a bash script for subdomain discovery. The domain name is suppose oneweb.com. So आपको ये क्या करेगा कि एक बिल्कुल बेसिक स्क्रिप्ट बना के दे देगा. As you can see, we can get the bash script. Now all you need to do is copy the script and create a file in the Kali Linux. So let me create a file. So I'm using the gedit to create a file. So let's see code.sh, and I need to paste the code and save it. Right, so the file will be saved, and now what you have to do, let's check out if the file is saved or not. So code.sh will be our code. We have to first provide the full permission on this file. We have to make it executable, right? So let's give it. So chmod, and then for executable I'm using +x, and then your code file. So now if you want to check out the permission, so al and then code.sh. So the file is executable now, and now you need to run it. So how you will run the bash file? Tell me in the comments if you know about it. How can you run this bash file? What will be the command? So let's take some comments. Okay. So Sahil is asking, can KaliGPT draft a malicious code? Uh, if you are providing a particular prompt, so yes, he can craft it. Krishnadhar, he's asking if you have any domain and what details you can get from that domain. So you need to create a prompt for that, and KaliGPT will give you the exact steps for it. So how can you run this bash script file? That is the question. So I got the answer from Sachin. Like we can run with bash file.sh or maybe /file.sh. So you can run this use code.sh, or the alternate way we have is /. So you can run it. So as you run it, it will be automatically use the tools KaliGPT defined, and the target is already set. So you do not have to remember the commands. You just need to create a particular bash script and perform the whole enumeration or recurrence process. Suppose you want to find out the URLs for your domain, so you do not have to run the three or four or multiple scripts, you can just combine all the scripts in one bash script. So you can provide the prompt uh, in Kali GPT, like create a bash script. So let me give you with an example. And as you are seeing, the result are fetching. So we need to wait to get the results because AMAS is currently running. So when we get the information, I will show this. Okay. So let's redesign our script. So now I want to create, और अपन इसको simple script देते हैं, create a bash script for crawling of the domain. So I'm giving a subdomain actually, and define more. So I'm defining in this script, use the scripts like Gao and Katana and some more. Okay, so let's see what we will get the output. So this will be the output. So now you can use this, and you do not have to provide the target, and you do not have to run your tool one by one. You just need to run this particular script. And if you are observing the code, you will see like this particular script is not only finding the URLs, it is also merging and filtering out. So in this 5 point, you will see it is merging all the outputs into one file and then deduplicate all URLs. So whatever duplicates URL we have, that you will get from running all these tools, so it will automatically eliminate it, right? And it is also using or checking if the URLs are live or not. So another tool is also integrated, which is HTTPS. So now you will get the final file. So using Kali GPT, we can automate many things, and it will make your ethical hacking journey very effective. And you do not have to remember the lengthy codes, or you do not have to worry about the syntax error. So that's why the Kali GPT is very important for you. You just need to provide the prompt, whatever you need, explain in details, and let Kali GPT do the rest. You can also examine the results using Kali GPT. If you are getting any errors, syntax errors, so you can provide it. Okay. Now let's check out the result of Kali. So right now the AMAS passive enumeration is going on. So we do not have any result right now because AMAS will take some time to perform the enumeration. So that's why it's taking some time. But hopefully you will get the idea about like why we need Kali GPT and how you can use Kali GPT in an effective way. Are you getting my point? So tell me in the comments like if this is relevant to you. Like you like the idea of ChatGPT to create a tool with Kali GPT, and how can you use this in your journey? So tell me some, drop some comments, and whatever who is watching this video, make sure to like the video, and if haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe. Okay, so do you want me to give you or show you some more prompts that will give you more depth recurrence? You need me to give you the prompts. So Sahil is asking, can we use Kali GPT in industry? Of course you can. This will see, like हम जब बात करते हैं कि AI का market में आ गया है, so how this AI will make your work effective. So in that case, you uh, can use this GPT in industry. This will basically make your work, you can work in lesser time, you will get the good results, you will your productivity will increase. So yes, definitely we can use it. So okay, so now I will give you one more prompt so that you can use it. So suppose you want to perform a basic analysis of particular target. So now I'm giving the prompt. So this is the prompt. How do I fingerprint a target's web tech stack? So basically I want to find out the technologies using what web. This is the Kali Linux tool and Webalizer in Kali. So if you want to more specific result, then you can provide the command as well. So you can, sorry, provide the target name as well. So here you will get the result. So you will get the command of what web, you will get the flags, information about the flags that are used in this command. You will get the idea like what to look for in the results. So these things you can look for in the results. And this is the sample output, and then Vapalizer. So how can you install it? How can you use it? Or if you want to more effective, then you can use it like create a bash script for it. So now it will create a bash script. So you do not have to run any command. It will automatically automate everything. You just need to copy this script and save it in any particular file name with .sh extension, and then provide the change the permission in executable mode, and then you can run this script. So थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आपको लग रहा होगा कि हाउ कैन वी यूज दिस काली जीपीटी इन इफेक्टिव वे. So now let me show you some more prompts. So see, this is the next prompt for recurrence purpose. What is this is about? So enumerate subdomains using DNS enum and DNS recon and explain the difference in output. So you can provide this prompt in the Kali GPT, and let's see what we will get. So I'm providing the prompt in Kali GPT, and let's see what we will get. So the prompt is enumerating subdomains using DNS enum and DNS recon and the difference. So you can see the difference here. So DNS enum is a Perl based DNS enumeration tool, and the DNS recon is Python based recurrence tool, right? And if the target is look like this, then how can you use the DNS enum to perform the DNS enumeration? So that will be the command what is does. So it perform the basic domain info or the name servers. It will be retrieved a record, and the more DNS records try to perform the zone transfers, and this will be the sample output. And if you want to use in a more effective way, then you can provide the word list as well. Then with the DNS recon, so this will be the command. So what this does, and the output, if you see the difference between these two, so the support for brute force, yes, zone transfer, yes, and the automation friendly. So DNS recon is automation friendly, but the DNS enum is not. And all other things will be same normally, like output is different and the additional features are different. So we can compare similar tools, like what is better or what is not. So if you are doing the recurrence and you are confused with multiple tools, so you can provide a prompt to analyze those tools and analyze the result or analyze the output. Kali GPT will do that for you. The next prompt we have is like, what is the difference between active and passive DNS recons? Show me the tools and example of each. So for that, you can use this prompt and let's see what result we will get. So basically we are getting the result with basically difference between active and passive DNS recon. So the definition, the impact, the detection, the live data, use cases, and the tool examples. So what passive DNS recon tools are. So these are all the passive DNS recon tool, and these are the active DNS recon tools. And now you can give a prompt in the KaliGPT to create a bash script for it. So it will automatically perform passive DNS first and then active DNS. So you can provide the prompt to store the output in two separate files or in a single file, and then you can compare it. So now you can also use the GPT for scanning and enumeration purpose as well. So see, in this particular KaliGPT session, I created multiple prompts for you to understand how you can use this particular AI assistant tool in an effective way. So I took some examples like what you need to perform it, or how you can use the KaliGPT. So this prompt will help you to perform the scanning and enumeration. And as you all know, we are using Nmap for scanning. So this will be the prompt. So create a fast but detailed Nmap scan for a live target with operating system and version detection. So let's see what KaliGPT has to say with this prompt. So here you will get the result. So this will be the command. And now it will explain each and everything. Like whatever flags are used for, like T4 is used for time, then aggressive scan, then full port, the maximum retries, the operating system gas, the verbosity intensity, the minimum rate, and then your target IP. So all the flags are explained here. Then if you want to save the output, then you can additionally add this flag, and the full command will be this. So using GPT, you can not only create some code or scripts, you can get the already available commands also. That is all already available commands for the tools also, जो कि आपके काली लिनक्स में already installed है. Right? Let me check the comments if we have anything. So the question I'm getting more is like, what about Pentest GPT? So Pentest GPT is also a very powerful AI assistant tool, but see, Pentest GPT is not integrated with Kali Linux, so maybe the result will be different from Kali GPT or Pentest GPT. But yes, you can also use the Pentest GPT as well. Like I'm not uh, saying कि काली जीपीटी का ही यूज करो and you cannot use the pentest gpt. Both are the good AI assistant tool. The point is, how can you use the AI tools in your ethical hacking journey? So whatever AI assistant tool you have for your pen testing purpose, you can use it. So some is saying like, can it will be used to build a something. So this I cannot say it in the live stream for obvious reasons, but you can try it. Right? So without further delay, let me show you some prompts. So this particular uh, slides are available in your resources drive. So the resource drive is available in your description, not particular in this video description, but the other videos, so basically a series is also going on. You can check out the SOC playlist as well. So here you will get the drive link, and this is the session tracker for SOC analyst, and here is the drive link. So the slides will be available here, so you can check it, because I cannot show you the all the slides which I created for YouTube restrictions. Like I have created for some post exploitation prompts as well, and evasion prompts as well, and privilege escalation prompts as well. So I cannot particularly use it on a live stream, but you can check it out and analyze if the Kali GPT will help you. So these prompts are very effective. Like I already created around 35 prompts. Okay. So hopefully you will get to learn something new today. And the purpose of hosting this stream is not to demonstrate everything, but to uh, give you a insight about the Kali GPT and how can you use this in an effective way. And as you all know, the giveaway announcement I already made, but you can win the free seat in my next workshop, which is about network penetration testing. So what you have to do, you have to share clip on LinkedIn of this stream or any associate stream, post it on LinkedIn, tag me, and tell me in the caption like how this stream will help you in your journey. And the rules are this: you have to tag me, you have to use some hashtags, and the post, you can post it on before 15 July, and the winners will be announced on 18 July. So this is the giveaway, and you can hopefully take a part on this giveaway. And now I'm taking questions. The slide is available in the drive, resources drive basically, so you can uh, check that out and find the proper prompt for Kali GPT, which I'm not able to show you here, but definitely you will get the slide and perform on your own. So I have any questions? Do you have any question? So hi Sachin. Sachin is saying write a Python script to take a screenshot of a list of URL using Selenium or web browser or Aquatone. So yes, this is definitely a useful prompt. You can use it. So tell me if you like the stream, or should or I will continue hosting these type of streams in the future as well. सो बेसिकली आप लोग वीडियो को लाइक नहीं कर रहे हो, सो लाइक बटन पे हथौड़ा फेंक के मारो या हाथ, लाइक हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, so I do not think I have more questions here in the chat. So take care everyone. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with the associate analyst day 6. So join tomorrow, day 6 of associate analyst L1 at our regular time, which is 8:30 IST. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.